Hello, my friend, and welcome. This is Dan, and if you're watching this video right now, it's because you've either joined myself or you've joined one of my team members in the Titum Inc. opportunity. And I'm creating this video to simplify the process of getting everything set up. Even though Titum has made it very straightforward, I just wanted to make it a little bit easier for you. So first thing you're going to need to do is obviously log into your account at tituminc.com using your username and password that you came up with when you signed up. And when you're taken to your back office, one of the first things that you need to do is come over here and click on the Getting Started tab. And as you can see, they've made some very straightforward step-by-step instructions for you as far as getting everything set up right out of the gate. So the first thing that you need to do is click on your Profile Management tab, and you're going to want to update any of your personal information and make any changes, and then update the profile at the bottom of the page. And your profile will be automatically integrated into the follow-up emails that go out to your prospects and leads. Therefore, please do this carefully and accurately. So you come over here to your profile, and that's, of course, you can put your you can put a picture of yourself in here, and here you can put all your personal information here, your name, um, address, all this kind of stuff if you want to do that. And then you can click on this tab next to the overview tab here to edit. um, that's actually, this is where you'll put your picture. So you just click on select image. It's gonna allow you to pull any picture that you have on your computer and go ahead and put it on here. And then once you've done that, you can also add some information here. This information that you put in here is going to be on your actual website at the bottom where your profile picture will be. So you can actually write a little bio about yourself, or just put whatever you want in here basically. You can even leave it blank. It's really up to you. But then of course you'll come down here and here's your personal information. Just make sure that everything is accurate, and as long as everything is good, you can click Update Profile right here. Once you've done that, you know that everything has been saved properly. And the next thing that you need to do is click on your Edit Payment Profile. And this is where you'll basically have the opportunity to tell your prospects basically how you would like to receive your payments. And so if you want wire transfers, if you want direct deposits, if you want to have your prospect mail cash or cashier's check via overnight courier, you can specify exactly where you want them to have the packages sent. And then if you have like a merchant account of your own where you can accept credit cards, you can put that information in here as well. So this business is very cool in that you have the ability to, you're earning commissions directly from your new team members. And so it's up to you how you want to be paid. So, with other companies out there, you have to wait, and your money goes into some merchant account and sits there forever before you get paid. So this is cool because you are getting paid very quickly from your new enrollments. So once that's all done, click Update, and that will be taken care of. And if you ever want to get back to the main menu where we were when we first logged in, just click Dashboard. It's always going to take you right to this page here. So so we'll go back to getting started. Now we've done step number one. We've updated all of the personal information, the payment profile. This is basically covering what we just did. Step two is to click on your capture page link in the menu. You will see multiple capture pages, and each has its own link, so you can use one or all of them at once. This is the first for the high ticket industry. If you are new to the industry, we recommend you only use one at a time. So you can check out your capture pages by clicking on the capture page link, and here are the 4 available options at the time I'm making this video. So you have 4 different ones over here. So whichever one that you want to use, you would basically just click enable, and you can actually click on this link here to actually see an example of what they look like. So, I can click on this just to show you real quick. It shows you. So when you're advertising, you're sending your prospects through your funnel, you're sending them to a page, and then they can enter their name and email. And, as soon as they click start now, they're going to enter the sales funnel at that point and be able to see the presentation and stuff. So just click on enable, whichever one you like. And as you can see, when I click enable on this one, it's now active. So if you want, I like the one at the top personally right now, so I'm using this one. And as you can see, the top one says active. So we'll go back and go back to the dashboard. Actually, we'll go to getting started. So step number 3, get familiar with how to get support. Click on member support. This is where you can submit a support ticket if you need help. Before submitting a ticket, please check to see if the answer you need is not already in the members area. So you can click on support. This is very straightforward. So if you have any questions for support, it's just similar to an email. You put whatever subject in there, and then write your message with your questions, and then click submit, and support will get back to you very promptly. And that's very simple to do. So back to getting started. Step number 4 is click on resources and select sales process, read and learn, because you will be using this process to make money. Even if you're planning to use the optional closing center, you still need to know the sales process. I highly recommend going through all of that information. So number 5, get familiar with your back office. Go through every part of your back office so you can learn how everything works. This will make things much easier for you. So obviously you have all these different tabs over here on the left hand side. Click on each one of them and go through the information on each and every single tab. You want to be as educated as you can on your new business. Everybody who is a high income earner with this business or any business, they know their business inside and out. So the more you know about your business, the more familiar you are with things, the better you're going to be able to answer questions for your prospects. And obviously it's going to serve you well to know as much as you can about the business and what people are going to experience when they become a member. So get familiar with your back office. Step number 6, get a new email address. Set up a brand new Gmail address and update your profile with this new email address. Use the new email address only for Titum Inc. Note, the use of Titum or Titum Inc. is not allowed in the name of your email address. So just come up with your own Gmail, a new Gmail address, strictly for this business. That way you're not confusing your personal emails from your business emails. It's going to save you a big headache in the long run. So I highly recommend doing that as well. Step number 7, get a domain name from GoDaddy. I'm going to make a video on that as well. So that will be available on the same page that this video is on for my team members, and it's going to walk you through getting that taken care of. So get yourself a domain name at GoDaddy or any other place that you want to get a domain name. It doesn't have to be GoDaddy, but GoDaddy is pretty simple. So, and their prices are as good as any. So and point it to your capture page. So .com is the best, and keep your domain reasonably short and easy to spell. GoDaddy has 24/7 phone support to assist you with pointing it to your capture page if needed. The URL is the URL you need is the URL of your capture page you have enabled. So either log into GoDaddy after buying the domain name and enter the URL in the forwarding section of your new domain, or call GoDaddy support and ask them to do it for you. And you're not allowed to use the word Titum or Titum Inc. in your actual domain name itself. So, anything else is pretty much up for grabs, but you can't do that. And then number 8, which is they say is optional, but the way that we do it, you're gonna definitely need this. So you're gonna need to get an 800 number from 800link.com for utilization in advertising if you do not wish to use your current number, which you're definitely going to need one of these. In fact, you're going to need 2 phone numbers from 800link, and one of them is going to be for your initial advertising campaigns, and then the other one is going to host your information call, where prospects can basically call your phone number and instantly listen to a pre-recorded overview that gives them an explanation of our opportunity, and at the end of that it allows them to leave a voicemail, and you can actually hear their voicemails and return their phone calls at that point, send them to your website. So I will obviously have another video on doing this and getting your phone numbers and getting your 800link account taken care of. So, but as far as that goes, that's pretty much what you need to do initially to get everything set up. Update your profile, your payment sections, add a picture of yourself on there. You want to brand yourself, any way you possibly can. People join people, not just businesses. This is a relationship business, so the more that you can put yourself out there and help your prospects realize that you're just a regular human being just like they are, the more likely they're going to connect with you on a personal level and get to know, like, and trust you and want to do business with you. So, and then just kind of go through everything, get familiar with all the links back here, kind of get everything in your head exactly how this all works. And the next video, I'll go ahead and show you how to get yourself your GoDaddy domain name and get it forwarded to your capture page link. And look forward to seeing you on the next video.